paper will be turned in. So I know it doesn't say classwork, but like I just decided that instead of having 2 sets of the same notes, like we're gonna, whatever. So, for this, we're gonna review perpendicular bisectors basically split. If you have a 90-degree angle, then it splits the bottom. If you know the sides are congruent, then that's splitting the bottom as well. So it's the same thing opposite. We're not going to fill in the notes because we technically kind of already did. So we're just going to do like 2 problems on the front, and then we're going to do a problem on the back, and then you guys can just work on this. Anything on the front that we don't do, you can just cross out, you can skip. So let's cross out number 1, 2. So we're going to do the whole back. So we're only going to do like 3 problems on the front just to review quickly. And then that way you guys can start working on this and turn it in. So for number 5, does anybody remember from a month ago, from 4 weeks ago, if I needed to find the length of A to B, what should I do with these? Equal them. You're a genius. You remember something. So we're going to do 5x minus 11 equals 3x plus 17. Because perpendicular bisectors are splitting, it's bisecting, it's cutting it in half. So they are equal. So do we want to add 11 or subtract 17? Sure. No? Add 11? Okay. Technically, it doesn't matter. You're going to get the same answer both ways. That's what I know. But I'm going to add 11 to get rid of the negative. So 5x equals 3x. And I know you're like, wow, I really missed this. 17 plus 11 is 28. I minus 3x from both sides. Get 2x equals 28. So what do I get for x? 14. Now we have to plug it back in because it wants A to B. So it wants this whole piece. So I have to plug it in to both and do what? Add them. So you got to plug it into both because it does not want just half of it. It wants the whole thing. So this is the part that I don't think you should show on the calculator, or like you should just put in the calculator. So if I do 5 times 14 minus 11, how much is that? 59. If I plug it into the other side, what do I get? 59, because they're the same, because bisecting it, because it's the same. So if I add them together, how much is AB in total? 118. Nice. So try number 6. Easy peasy. Once again, if you know that there's a 90-degree angle, if you know the bottom is congruent, it's saying that the sides are also congruent. So set them equal to each other. Solve for x. Plug it in. Try number 6. I'm gonna do like 3 up front and then we'll look back. Long time ago. Oh. Oh, it's Alice. How is that? Tomorrow you're gonna have to paint flips. This isn't really painting. Everything's equal. I was thinking you have to think about it. We're gonna plug it into turn on. Put in. This is oh my gosh, I'm victim probably wrong. All day was in my body.
Isn't it? Very exciting. And I got the voice. I'm just. It's funny. 20? No, 67. That was great. Wait, they barely beat our right. I thought Eagles beat them on. I bet Eagles. Oh my god, that is still.
Mateo, what'd you get?
I got 20.
Nice. Is that's not even right? Is that right? Yeah. That is right. You just say 20. I was like, wait a minute. Okay, anyways, then we got to plug it in. We got to plug it into JK. JK. JK is here. Okay, so I got to plug it in. I don't have to add them together this time. I'm just literally plugging it into one piece. So 6 times 20 minus 25 is how much? What is it? 94? Is that? Okay. So perpendicular bisectors are whenever it's a complete like isosceles triangle. The angle bisectors, if you notice, they kind of look like triangles, but it's not really a triangle technically. The angles are being split. So it's making like a 90-degree angle, not here, but out here. But it's okay. So your angle bisector is splitting your angle. So we're not going to do all of these. Once again, we're just going to do a refresher real quick. Shh, be quiet. Let's cross out 1, 2, 3, 4 again. And then we are going to do number 5. So number 5. So what should I do with these two things if we're talking about an angle bisector? Not plus them. We equal them because it's a bisector, they're equal. So we're going to set these equal to each other. Same process. It is the first day back. I did this on purpose, something easy for your small brains. All for X. And then you got to plug it in somewhere.
JK was 94. If I got the answer. It used to be. I'm thinking JK was 94.
Yeah.
Really? Got it. Back mom. What? Take these hard answers in 4. Oh. You feel it. Everybody loses solution, so it's not. Number 2, only one, like the one. How's it?
The seer do mal. Do mal.
I already finished.
What'd you get?
What? For X, I got 19.
Good. Nice. Okay, X equals 19. And then what'd you get for the answer?
Like for the triangle thing, I got 86.
Is that the answer? That's not the answer.
Oh, what would I add them together? Oh, 112.
Yeah. Not 112. It's not 56. Hold on, wait. Okay. You get 19, right? And then you need FGH. Do we agree X is 19 at least?
Oh.
Okay. When you plug it in, what do you get for 1/2 of them? 58, not 56. So you were off. So each little, oh yeah, not you. So each side is 58. So the whole thing, if you look, it says FGH. FGH is not half of it, it's the whole thing. So we have to add them together. So the measure of angle FGH is how much total? 116.
No, I did 19 times 2 was that 36.
Oh, yeah, no, that's wrong.
That's why I messed up.
Yeah, don't do that. Okay, so let's skip number 6. We can cross on. Do we understand this? We remember this, right? We don't have to do a million of these. We're gonna do one more in the back together, and you guys can probably figure out which one that is.
7.
No, not the first one. The first one's easy. The first one's matching numbers. 7 doesn't seem that bad. Well, it's honestly, it's not that bad, but people get tripped up because of the picture. So 4, 7 is the same exact thing. It says if QT is the perpendicular bisector of PR, so this is splitting it. So basically, because they're telling me this, although there's no markings, this is the perpendicular bisector. That means that this would be congruent to this. So we're going to find each measure. So we're going to start with whatever it says. So it says X. So which 2 X equations, because there's 3 equations with an X. There's an X down here, and in the middle. Which 2 should actually be equal to each other? Yep. Perfect. Okay, so start by finding X. Easy peasy. And then try to figure out which 2 equations would make Y equal to each other. The mint. Did Mr. White schedule all your exams or something
Yeah, we said I have to go this week.
after school?
Like, no, not after school, but like,
Hey, wait.
like some, like I gotta pick some days I'm gonna be going. So,
And then go down to the media center and do it.
yeah. Talk to my teachers.
I mean, I don't care when you do it.
You're done.
You haven't, wait, I haven't exactly.
If you want to do mine on Friday, we're doing like a, because the schedule's on the board. Friday is like classwork day.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it's a Friday, but relatively whenever out.
Whatever you do it. I do have your Scantron though. Just keep this with you. And then whenever you take out,
It's been so fun. Oh, I did that.
and then right here for you for why.
Find why? Wait, why?
Once you find X, find Y.
So, I'm
Oh, mine's more. Okay, yeah.
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 Oh, no, it's not. 17. Because you added 17. You're not showing the version of it. You added 17. It's not negative 17.
Oh, so back to, I was like, going, I was minus it, right?
I did this. Yeah. So that's why I have 14.
It's 21. Oh, I messed up. That's
What was the best you say? Negative 17 minus 4.
You're saying I did. No, I didn't. No, I. Hey, that's the serious last day. That was the one. That was the one. We're gonna seven. Only person. That's the loser. And you're gonna end up liking it today.
Yeah.
I would never.
Why are you going?
Yeah, that's what.
Because it's not making. I was fine.
Wait,
You're bad.
He's out of bad stuff.
Are you?
What?
So plugged in.
Leave Mateo, bro. Mateo. Yeah. No. Worse stuff to
Wait, so you're.
I do worse stuff to you.
Okay, what do we get for X? 7. Good. Now for Y, you should be setting up the outsides equal to each other. So this one matches with this one. So I could do 5Y minus 31 equals 2Y plus 5 because the Y's have to equal the Y's. What do you get for Y? Y equals 12. The rest of the problem is you literally just plugging everything in. So once you have X and you have Y, the next thing that they want is P to Q. So all you're doing is plugging in each value to each side. The only one that might be a little confusing for your small brains are the ones that have an X and a Y together. But this is literally just like simple math. You're just plugging it in twice and solving it. So when you get to PT, where's PT? PT's down here. So when you get to PT, it's 6X minus 2Y. So you're plugging in X and Y. So you're doing 6 times 7. And then 2 times 12. And then you're solving. Because you have to plug in X and Y. Yes, literally. And then that's the answer. Times 12. What is it? Not 480. I think you multiplied it all together. 6 times 7 minus 2 times 12.
You know what, dude?
Yeah. Are you pressing equals between this? That's probably why. 6 times 7 is 42. Yeah. And then you're minusing 24, which is 18.
Yeah.
So PT is 18. So everything else on the front you can skip. You are going through and you're finishing the back and you are turning it in to the bit.
Wait, we didn't do number 7. Yeah.
You're doing the rest of the problems on the back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're doing the rest of the problems on the back. We're not skipping any on the back. We skipped everything on the front. Everybody's got it done. Literally, here's the back from the last period.
Oh my gosh, you have to fold it.
I do have to. So like everybody's getting done. Like
What's in your bowl?
it looks like a lot. It's not. It's got lettuce. Got brown rice. Got black beans. Got vegetable fajitas, chicken. It's got mild sauce, cheese, corn. We got everything. That's it, like beans. You don't like beans? Oh,
You're gonna spend
well, that's why I like black beans. Pinto beans are I like pinto beans, but I prefer black beans. Black beans do not have to. Number one is literally just matching sides. That's it. Number one.
So, you have another method.
When you look back, yeah.
It looks like lies.
I mean, you did not.
I wrong.
Like a
It's
lot.
birthday back. I didn't give you like, and it's the same, everything's equal to each other. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take it for you. It's because like, yeah, we need to use this. I'm gonna go that side. That's go down.
What
No,
the?
Don't go down, just go downstairs and take the exit, and then use the full left.
I'm gonna go wait 6.
It's brutal. It's. Need
No,
Wait,
So that happens.
You don't want your next meeting.
So, yeah.
The first,
Yeah.
don't go that way, go to the first building on the right, that will get you there right away. Yeah, I know where you're at. Yeah. It's like.
You are turning this in. Get going. Gold.